have come here to address some issues that we feel that should be heard by our employer, TSC, together with our government, because these are issues that are very pertinent to us. Issue number one, the issue of autonomy of JSS.
Yes.
Independence. We want the JSS to be autonomy.
Amen.
Number one, we want administration to be autonomous.
Yes.
Teachers of JSS are now old enough to stand on their 2 feet. Number two, we want the issue of infrastructure to be autonomized.
Yes.
So that they can have the libraries, the labs, and their own material to run these schools.
Exactly.
We also want the co-curriculum of JSS to be autonomized, so that they are able to run this CBC. It is more of work, it's more of skills, and these skills cannot be built if the co-curriculum is not autonomized. We want the 20,000 teachers who have been serving as interns to be confirmed. These teachers had signed only an internship of 1 year, and their internship period is coming to an end. So we ask the government to set aside funds, and within a month or two, all the intern teachers, the 20,000 of them, to be confirmed. As teachers, we know that our medical policy is a very important component, because health is wealth. I want to talk about this movement. When we are being taken to SHA, our big question is, what is the package in SHA?
Yes.
What is the package of dental?
Yes.
What is the package of optics? What is the package of outpatient? What is the package of inpatient? Overseas evacuation. What is the fate of teachers? Are we going to be admitted in private wings like what we used to get in Minet? Then, if it is a better cover, then teachers we are boarding. But if it is a lesser cover, then we are not boarding.
My name is Soy Kipton. I am a JSS teacher. And here, we want to state categorically that when it comes to January 2026, we want our terms to be changed from interns to permanent and pensionable terms. Because we have been suffering enough. Our medical covers are not catered for as interns. We need a very good working environment and salary again, because we are discharging our duties as science teachers according to the way we have been taught.
My name is Uni Cherono, Kericho County, third gender representative, JS teacher and representative. We also want as simple as giving us independence. We have been so carrying kwa mgongo for so long. We need to work on our own. We need independence on our own. We need confirmation for the JS teachers. We need proper guidance on how we are going to grow in this career. We need to man exam. As simple things as just autonomy, independence, and all those is what we want. We need BOMs on our own. We need so many things. Curriculum 2026, starting January, we need to do our own things.
What do you think?
Solidarity forever. Solidarity forever. For the union makes us strong.
Power.
Jana siwezi karanga. Oe hahe shagala bagala. Niko tayari kulipa gharama. Sitasimama maovu ya kitawala. Power.
No to comprehensive.
And she's supposed to be employed in Kericho to live.
Exactly what we are going into. We also hope that all the hospitals are going to teach us with this new money. Public hospitals, we ask for some percentage to go to the languages, humanities, and technical teachers. Yes, because they were all trained, yeah?
True, you always. 2019, 2018, so I think something needs to be done with the
before it is taken to the parliament. Review the sessional paper.
Post the sessional paper number 10.
I was requesting. Where is
JSS and
who was what is it for him? Or him?
that's the Italia.
Yeah, so
Then JSS. Alert.
Wote sasa tujiunge pamoja, tuepuke
That is a pick there.